Hello there. Hi. Hope you all are doing well and safe at your place. So, I'm going to discuss about Google Analytics topic for today, and this is going to be very interesting and helpful video for all. So, if someone is going to set up their business or going to launch their website, then you will definitely need this tutorial for you, Google Analytics, and I think it must be priority for everyone to have Google Analytics plugin for everyone. Okay, so today we will see how can we add Google Analytics to our blog, or someone can add Google Analytics to their website. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I will add Google Analytics to my blogger's site. Without wasting time, let's see it B2B a practical. So first we will search for Google Analytics over here. Just click on first link and log in with your email ID from which you want to log in. As I have already logged in with my email ID, that is this one. The interface, you will see this after login to analytics. Then we will start from here, start measuring. You can see what my interface is showing. It's asking my account name, which is my business name or my website name, whatever it can be, your account name. Okay, so I will provide here your Storyfy. This is my account name going to be. Okay, and don't touch all this, don't click or the text, just be as it is, let it be as it is. Then click on next. Then it is asking property name. You should write like so we will write here property name, like whatever we can write our website name. And I belong to India, so you can provide your country and this will occur automatically. And your currency, it will be Indian rupee. Yeah. On show advanced options, you will have this one new. Okay, means after 14 October only this is launched, otherwise it was default universal analytic property, but it has upgraded, like it is not now default. So we are going to provide here our website URL. And we'll remove this HTTPS from here. It is already here, you can see. Now we are having only websites, so we will create have this radio button on, create a universal analytic property only because we don't have app right now. If in future if we will have app, then we can do for this also. Okay, if you are having web and website both, website and application both, then you need to click this one, but I have only website, so I will be having only UA ID, tracking ID. Now click on next. Select industry category, what type of industry you are serving, you need to select over here. If you don't have option, you like what the category you are providing, you don't find the listing over here, please choose other. I will opt shopping according to your need. please fill all the steps over here. And I think this is also new. How do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? Check all that apply. Obviously I need to uh, fulfill this check boxes because I want to take all the types of optimization and measurement of my customer engagement as well, and my who are directing my sites. Okay, advertising cost if I am going to apply Google Ads, and having a look on conversion as well. Everything I'm going to have checkbox on. Now create. Now you have to select your place, India, country, and have to accept all terms and conditions for Google Analytics and accept this. This is loading right now. You will be having this pop-up. Just dismiss this and say this. Now you can see we are having tracking ID, which is this. Okay, and you need to just copy paste over here in our Google Analytics property ID. You will find here. Okay, just copy from here and paste it over here and save it. Now you need to have look that we have this site tag code also for website tracking. You just need to copy it in your header of your this blog. Okay, just copy this and go on theme, go on customize and add it in HTML, and you can find head over here. If you are unable to find head section, then you need to just do Cult plus F in this and just write head and find this. Okay, here we are, and just paste it, and now just save it. Yeah, it is updated right now. Now just go for a refresh. You are done with having crack code over here, you can see, and this was full done. Now just go on home. You will see 0 definitely, because it will take 48 hours to exactly showing your results live. You can check over here your website, okay, and have a look. I know it is 0 till now, but after 48 hours it will definitely show results if there are real-time or customers or audiences, what type audiences you are having in your website, or what type of behavior they are performing, like they are visiting or having conversions. Okay, so this is done with today's video, and let's hope you will like all this stuff which I have showed you, and I think you have got learned many new things in this because many new features were highlighted. Thank you, and looking forward for your comments, feedback and love. Share this with the needy one.